Hi, do you guys want to find out in the next 5 minutes how you can make an all-natural weed killer? Why use glyphosate? Why use nasty chemicals when you can make a really low-cost weed killer using 3 natural ingredients? So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and it's going to be safe for your pets and safe for your kids, but be careful. It's a great idea, so let's get to it. Okay, so step 1, go to your local hardware store or discount store and buy yourself a little spot sprayer. Probably get these on sale for $7 to $10 if you look for a good deal. We'll just take it out of the container. This is a 1 gallon spot sprayer, so that's all we need for this. Get that set up, and here's the wand that we attach to it. Let's get to the 3 natural chemicals, natural products. First of all, we're going to use vinegar. And vinegar is a great thing to use, but we're not going to use normal white vinegar, and we're not going to use pickling vinegar, which is 7% acetic acid. We are going to use cleaning vinegar. So cleaning vinegar is a lot higher acetic acid, so it's a very, very good cleaning product. So we're going to be using that, and we're going to be using table salt, and we're going to be using some dish soap. So let's get to it, and I'm going to show you how to set this all up. So all we need to do is get our spot sprayer, open it up, dump in the cleaning vinegar. So something to keep in mind, the more acetic acid that you have in the cleaning vinegar, the better it's going to react and better it's going to do for killing weeds. Another thing to keep in mind, when you do make this formulation, it's really good. It's worked great for us for killing weeds, but also make sure you stay away from things that you don't want killed. Don't spray it on your grass. Don't spray it near your flowers. Don't spray it near your shrubs, because it'll kill it. So, but it's great for killing grass around your barbecue, grass around your flower bed, as long as you're staying far away from the flowers. Those of you who live off grid, or for the farmers, you guys can go spray this around your implements if you're not using it for a couple seasons, and this will work just like Roundup. You might need to do a second dose, but it actually works really good. So we've dumped the cleaning vinegar into the container like this, and all we have to do is add a really good squirt of dish soap. Now, why we're using a dish soap is the dish soap, along with the vinegar, when you mix it up, it makes a residue on the leaves, and it keeps that formulation on the leaves, and it helps it to basically kill. So instead of evaporating, it's going to basically make a residue on the plants. Now, as far as the table salt goes, what I like to use is 1/4 to 1/3 cup of table salt. And we just dump it in there. So we got cleaning vinegar, dish soap, salt. Screw the lid on. Make sure you mix it up really good. There you go, folks. In just a couple minutes, we have made a very effective, natural weed killer. So enjoy. Let me know in the comments, how did it work for you? Hope it worked really great, because it works great for us. So until next time, thanks for showing up to Ranger Dave Homestead. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, everybody.